After I'm done in the Babysitter's Club from school, I would like to read the Encyclopedia of Animal Life. I feel like learning about animals this week.
That's wonderful. What do you like about the book?
Well, it has sponges and stuff, and greasy pictures, and if you're lucky, it even has some color in it. Sometimes, like this snake. I think this is a vulture and snake.
I think it has the words, a description of what it is somewhere on the picture or beneath the picture or beside the picture.
Ooh, and here's a frog.
Okay, well, enjoy your reading.
And fish.
If you read underneath the picture, it'll tell you exactly what it is. Okay? Medea. Alright? Okay, love you.
Love you too.